Welcome back, Daydreamer. Today, I'm sorry to disappoint you. There's really not a lot going on. I lost track of time and I realized that I haven't mentioned to you guys or reminded you that it's Halloween season, which means it's haunted house season. Now, no matter where you may stand on all of the COVID stuff or anything like that, we were allowed, with a lot of precautions, to open up this year. And I'm really happy because, well, Halloween makes me happy. That being said, as last year, so will be this year. I'm going to go on a hiatus during this month because I'm essentially working two jobs during the month, not the week, the month of October. Now, that's not to say that I won't be doing something on a project. Well, I am. I'm going to be doing some stuff, and there will be a Halloween episode with a Halloween-inspired build, just like last year. This time, just not going to have any of the Whip Wednesdays. Last year's Whip Wednesdays were very short and very almost review-like, and I tried to listen to the feedback that I was given with thumb down and not many people were really, responding, and the watch time was really low, and I saw that you guys didn't really like that. So, in lieu of giving you something that's honestly half-assed, I'm going to go ahead and have my hiatus and just make sure that I can get my other work done along with my full-time job, and then I will edit something up for Halloween. Side note, if you caught up with or kept up with the giveaway and the celebration that I did for hitting 500 subs, Steve Forte was the winner. It seems that I can't get a hold of him. I tried to contact him through his channel because when I went to his little about thing and under his profile and channel for YouTube, well, there was no information there. There was no email address for me to contact him, and I didn't see any other social media links to try to contact him in any other way. So I did try to contact him with a messaging, on YouTube with the community tab. That's all I really knew how to do. So I will be re-selecting a winner, and yeah, then I'll contact whoever the new winner is. So I'm sorry, Steve, if you're watching this. I'll leave this video up a couple of days before I select somebody new. But it's been 2 weeks, man. I gotta get rid of this thing. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate everybody, each and every one of you. I appreciate you. I'm sorry for the late notice. I really have just had too much going on, and hey, life got a hold of me a little bit. So I will see everybody at the end of this month for the Halloween build, and then picking up where I left off through November. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, Daydreamer, I'm Justin, your ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.